Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add smooth transition on Adobe Premiere Pro. Adding a smooth transition is important if you want to make your video transition is smoother than before. Before we go to the video, let me explain to you the step first. So the first step is to download the smooth transition folder. The second step are importing the video that you wanted to give a smooth transition. The third step is import the smooth transition folder into the Adobe Premiere Pro. And the last step is adding the smooth transition into your video. Now, let's go to the first steps. Download the smooth transition folder from the link that I already give in the description box. If you already downloaded it, the next step is to open the Adobe Premiere Pro. Then, import the video that you want to give the smooth transition effect. Now, click the effect, then go to the presets. Then, click the right button on your mouse and click the import preset. After that, click the preset that we already downloaded before named KH Smooth Transition and choose open. After that, open the preset again and there's a folder named Galih Holland preset. Choose it and then transition, then smooth transition. If your video has a full HD resolution, choose the 1080p. If your video has Ultra HD resolution, choose 4K UHD. Now you can choose which transition you want and pay attention to this section. Here it says 20 frames and 10 frames. The 20 frames mean that the transition will take 20 frames to work. On the other hand, the 10 frames mean that the transition will take 10 frames to work. Now, go to the timeline and point the cursor at the middle between the first video and the second video. Then, hold shift and left arrow for 2 times. It means 10 frames. Then, cut it. After that, hold shift again and click the right arrow for 4 times. Then, cut it again. After that, select the 2 cut videos, then click right button on your mouse and choose Next. Then click OK. After that, drag the transition effect to the nested video. Then, finally, the smooth transition is done. So, here is what it should be look like. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.